Hi, I'm Nikhil from technary.com, and today welcome to the tech news. So Realme C12 recently got official in Indonesia, and soon it will be going to be launched in India on 18th of August 2020, and we have the specifications and features for you before the launch of this smartphone. So we'll share the details of it. So let us have a look at the features and specifications of the Realme C12 smartphone. This is a budget smartphone from the brand Realme. Dimensions of this device is 164.5 by 75.9 by 9.8 millimeters. Weight of the smartphone is 209 grams. This is a dual SIM smartphone and it has nano SIM slots. It comes with Realme UI, which is based on Android 10. It has a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 720 by 1600 pixels of screen resolution. It has 88.7% screen to body ratio. It comes with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 octa-core processor, which is clocked at 2.3 GHz. The phone comes with 3 GB RAM and has 32 GB of internal storage. There is also a micro SD card slot for expandable storage. It has triple cameras on the rear side, which include 13 megapixels primary camera, 2 megapixels monochrome sensor, and 2 megapixels macro lens. The front camera is of only 5 megapixels. It comes with 6000 mAh battery capacity with 10-watt charging. This feature only excites us more about this device. There are connectivity features which include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.0, micro USB port and GPS. It also has 3.5mm audio jack. There is also a rear fingerprint sensor in the smartphone. The price is very much amazing aspect which we will be eager to see at what price the brand launches this device into the Indian market. Though the price in the Indonesia was IDR 1899000, which is INR 9636 approximately. So we hope that it gets launched below 10,000 rupees. So we're excited for the price as well. So if you want to purchase this device on 18th of August or later than that, kindly check out the link in the description below. Once we update, kindly check out the link to get decent discount. Also keep following our Instagram page, which is technary.com. So keep visiting our website as well, which is technary.com. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Have a great day ahead.